Namaskar students. This is Professor S. Lal, Professor of Mathematics and Computing and the Department of Science and Technology under the Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Students, as per our pre-decided session of your numerical computation, today I am here with the topic numerical differentiation. Numerical differentiation. So there is some problem due to electricity. Yes. So students, what is the meaning of numerical differentiation? Generally, in the case of differentiation, you find that a quantity is deteriorated during this process. As you know that if x square is differentiated first time, means the first derivative of x square gives you 2x. And if it is again differentiated, it gives you 2. That is the second derivative is 2. If it is again differentiated, it's give you d3y by dx cube, and the differentiation of 2, that is a constant, is equal to 0. So you are finding that if a function or if a quantity is regularly differentiated, then its value gradually decreases. But in some cases we find some different result. For example, if you are differentiating x with respect to t, then you find dx by dt, and you say that this is the speed of a particle which is covering distance x. This is the speed of a quantity which is covering distance x. Again, it is differentiated with respect to t, it gives you d2x by dt square. This is called a small a or a small f. That is the acceleration. When the velocity is differentiated with respect to time, it gives you acceleration or instantaneous acceleration. As you know that because it was the part of your study in your physics, perhaps in 12 or in 10th level. So students, what is the meaning of numerical differentiation? Because we have to study in interpolation, we have to study about numerical differentiation, and if there is numerical differentiation, then but natural there will be numerical integration also, because the reverse process of the differentiation is called integration. So come on the point. This is the numerical differentiation. The forward differencing is what? The forward differencing, the derivative of a function F dot is given by f dash x is equal to this, you know, by first principle. By first principle, this is the basic definition of the differentiation of a function. This f dash x means this is the first derivative, means dy by dx. And you have seen in your formula that fx plus delta x minus fx divided by delta x. Here delta x not, here is, it's like epsilon. And thus a natural approximation is forward differentiating scheme. This is equivalent to this result. For a small h is greater than 0. You are changing this epsilon like symbol by h. And extension to multivariate function is straightforwarded, because here we have taken only single variable x. If we take multivariables, then the shape of this result will take like this. There is a term error in this. For linear function, a forwarding differentiating scheme approximation is exact. For non-linear function, recall that the Taylor expansion of fx plus h at h is equal to 0 is given by this result, by Taylor expansion. If you don't know, you should search in Google that what is Taylor expansion, and we have taken only up to third term, means 1, 2, and 3. So students, this is the backward difference. Negative sign here was, if here was plus, then that was fx plus h minus fx. That was here, then that was forward. And this, if the order is reverse and if the sign of plus is written here as minus, then that is the backward differentiating scheme of the differentiation. This is the center differentiation, like you have taken as conjugate form of x plus h and x minus h divided by 2h. Because the difference of these and these, x plus h and x minus h, when it will be different subtracted, x and x will be cancelled, and plus and minus minus plus h will be 2h. This extension to multivariate, this may be extended to the multivariate. For multivariate variable, this is only for one variable. This result may be extended for multivariable functions also. So these are the concept of numerical differentiation. Higher order cross derivative. If a function you are able to differentiate one time, it is possible for you to differentiate the same function as twice, thrice, and so and so. There is a Richardson extrapolation. If you wish to see, you can see this also. Complex step differentiation. So students, I hope that you have understand that what is the meaning of numerical differentiation. And this session is powered by digital version 2.0 of Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. In case of any queries, feel free to write your comment in the comment box. If you have any query, I will resolve from there. Thank you. Thank you for joining this session.